is strong. We know that the pound is semi-strong. So both of them, mass is strong. So what do you expect? Any movement on the chart, on the pound chart? If both are semi-equal strength, and if you want to focus on two strong guys, you really don't expect much movement. You don't really expect big moves in that. So exactly. And if I put the chart for you, hopefully it will come up in a minute. That is your big nothing day. Yes, you had a big move up or down, but in the scope of the big move, uh, mass, it is now. Yes, you can say that the Swiss is a little bit stronger than the pound. But when we were trading it, we had our structure point, which is the 154.30, and I want you to see, guys, all of you, how the pound Swiss respects. It is one of the unique currencies, really, that it does sit at the structure point and gives us nightmares. It just doesn't move. Everybody seems to know these structure points. Look at this here. It just does that and it sits at these points. So having said that, and if I look at this intraday chart, I can see that the trend is obviously to the downside, yet it is now. So my bias would be for the pound Swiss is to actually take it short, but I want to take it short with clarity. So I will only buy it. Again, I want to buy with clarity. So my buy is going to be here above the 154.60. I'm going to wait, or yeah, I'm going to wait until it gets above 30 pips above the structure point, because this is kind of the range that we get on the structure point, around 30 pips on either side. And okay, I will only short it below the momentum low of 153.21. I'm going to place my stop, my short stop over here, and if I buy it, I'm going to place my stop over there. Okay, let's see our structure points. Our structure point is to the upside is this, and I have my structure points set. So your bias is to the downside. It seems that the Swiss is kind of stronger than the exactly, guys. So we are going to buy it above 154.60, and we are going to place our stop below 154.30, and that is my structural, that will be my long stop. You always, I mean, if it's your favorite, keep an eye on it, Mas, but try to take the ones that are quite, they are not equal in strength or equal in weakness. So at least you give yourself an edge, an advantage. We're going to go short below 153.20, and we're going to place our stop above 153. I mean, we'll put it above here, so it's 153.80. I mean, okay, and my structure long is, in this case now, is the 154.30, and my structure short is the 153.11.6. Okay, that is the pound Swiss. We're going to buy it above 154.60, and if we do, we're going to place our stop below 154.30, so we're risking 30 pips on that trade. Our structural, what's this? I made a mistake here. $154.60. My stop is going to be 154.30. I'm only going to go short below 153.20, and my stop, yeah, I just did. Okay, so my structure long is the, I'm confused. Yeah, that's the 150. Yeah, I'm right. Okay. Alright, I'm just a little bit confused. So we're buying above 154.60. I'm going to buy higher than the structure point. That's what I'm trying to say. My short point is the 153.20, and if I go short, I'm placing a stop 60 pip higher of 153.80. And my short, okay, and the structure long is the 154.30, and my structure short is the 153.16. Okay.